Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix ASUS laptop webcam not working in Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Camera. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security, click Camera. Turn on camera access and also turn on Let apps access your camera. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps and Features. Type Camera, click Advanced Options. Click Repair, if same error still exists click Reset. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand cameras, right-click Camera, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Fifth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click Camera, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.